At Lumicision, precision isn't just a promise, it's how we build for the best. Using advanced CNC bending and pressing machines, we shape metal components for industries that demand accuracy and reliability. Our expert technicians program every bend and press to exact specifications, delivering repeatable, high-quality results every time. From lightweight brackets to high-strength enclosures, we manufacture parts for companies in automotive, electrical, industrial, and custom design sectors. Need something more heavy-duty? Our pressing capabilities are built to handle complex shapes and thicker gauges without sacrificing precision. Lumicision, your trusted partner for CNC bending and pressing. Precision manufacturing made for your success. Reach out today and let's bring your designs to life.